Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Danielson. Have you ever wanted to play games and control Jaco with the same controller? Here's how with the Jaco Blue control box and the Xbox Adaptive Controller. This setup is perfect for gamers who want to use their familiar Xbox Adaptive Controller setup with their favorite inputs such as switches and joysticks to operate their Jaco robotic arm. First, make sure Jaco is powered on and your Xbox Adaptive Controller is within reach with its USB-C cable. Plug your Xbox Adaptive Controller into Jaco's powered USB port. Work with your Jaco installer or product technician to map the appropriate switches and joysticks to work with Jaco. Test the connection by using your switches or joysticks to operate Jaco. You should see Jaco move in response, and you're all set. Now you can both play games and operate Jaco using one familiar control interface. Jaco Blue has support for other control options as well, including analog DB9, Bluetooth, and RNet direct integration. For more information, visit our website or contact your product representative today.